นี่ก็อาจถ้าชิมวยตระเพียมวยระบบคนขมายยังได้บางป้อนเป็นดังถ้าแอประบบทนการนันยาคือเถอะบ้าน develop คือเถอะบ้านบังคับล่างโดยคนขมายสดสารแต่มาดูถ้ามันสร้างมันบ้านแต่ต้องคือในประเด็นยังโจแอปการนันยาแบงคือมือมากคือ via fresh via clean ก็โดยเฉพาะ via premium เฮาตีซอดก็มีฟีเจอร์จิตรันก็โดยเฉพาะสมรู้แบบนี้เอาเนี่ยปรับปรับคือมีออฟฟิศล้อก็โดยเฉพาะถ้าเปิดยังกันอย่างงี้สิโร่โดยนี้เฮายังแต่เมื่อแต่ก่อนนี้แทนในโครงการนันยาแบงแอปมีเอาไว้พิเศษคลาจำนวนแต่บงเกตแต่ติงจัดยมแต่ต้องคือมุกเงียคือ quick access แต่ขนมแอปนี่คืออาจจะยังบางแห่ง QR របស់យើងគឺអាច scan QR ទូទាត់ប្រាក់យើងអាចបញ្ចូលលុយទូរស័ព្ទដូចជាមុខងាររហ័សផ្សេងៗបែបនេះហើយគឺវាអាចជួយសម្រួលដល់ប្រតិបត្តិការផ្សេងៗឲ្យកាន់តែរហ័សជាងមុនប៉ុន្តែសូមបញ្ជាក់បងប្អូនគឺថាកុំបារម្ភគឺថាទោះបីជាវារហ័សមែនប៉ុន្តែនៅពេលដែលដល់ដំណាក់កាលចុងក្រោយក៏ត្រូវឲ្យវាយ password របស់យើងដូចគ្នាដែរហើយបន្ថែមទៀតនៅក្នុង app មួយនេះក៏មានមុខងារទំនើបផ្សេងៗដែរគឺថាជួយសម្រួលដល់យើងគ្រាន់តែចូលកន្លែងការកំណត់កម្មវិធីហើយយើងគ្រាន់តែបើកប៊ូតុងផ្កាប់អេក្រង់ដើម្បីលាក់សមតលគណនីបែបនេះហើយនៅពេលដែលយើងផ្កាប់អេក្រង់របស់យើងចុះក្រោមគឺនឹងលាក់ក៏ដូចជានឹងមិនបង្ហាញអំពីសមតលគណនីរបស់យើងនោះទេហើយពិសេសមួយទៀតនៅពេលដែលយើង scan QR យើងតែបង្ហាញ receipt ទៅកាន់អ្នកលក់ត្រូវអត់តែលើនេះកាន់តែងាយស្រួលយើងគ្រាន់តែ scan ហើយយើងអាច flip អេក្រង់ទៅគឺវានឹងបង្ហាញប្រតិបត្តិការទៅកាន់អ្នកលក់ដោយបញ្ច្រាស់ហើយដូចនេះហើយគឺយើងអត់ត្រូវប្របាក់ដៃរបស់យើងពវល់នោះទេហើយចុងក្រោយសម្រាប់បងប្អូនជាអតិថិជនរបស់ Canada Bank App បើសិនជាអត់បាន update ទេ complete update ទាំងអស់គ្នាដើម្បីទទួលបានមុខងារទំនើបប្រតិបត្តិការចុងក្រោយក៏ដូចជាងាយស្រួលក្នុងការប្រើប្រាស់